Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss that the resistance of a conductor depends on the area of cross section of the conductor, and the relation between the resistance and the area of cross section of a conductor is the inverse. Now what do we mean by inverse? That if the area of cross section is made double, the resistance will become half, and if the area of cross section is made half, then the resistance will become double. So as you all can see that the material that is over here right now is silver. Let us take it to be any material. Let us take it to be gold right now. Okay, and you can see that the length of the wire is 10 centimeter. The diameter of the wire is 0.22 millimeter, and the rheostat is at resistance value of 1. Okay, now let us quickly connect it. So this is over here the battery. Battery has got two terminals, positive and negative terminal. This is the digital ammeter. This is the positive terminal. This is the negative. Remember that the red one is the positive terminal and the black one is the negative terminal. The voltmeter, the ammeter is connected in series to the battery. Remember that. Okay. Then this is the voltmeter, and it is connected in parallel to that device or component whose resistance we have to find out. Okay. This is the variable resistor or the rheostat, and you all can see that there is a jockey over it. So we can slide the jockey over the variable resistor and we can increase or decrease the value of the resistance. This is the one-way plug key, and you all can see that the key is open right now. So the circuit is open and the current will not flow. And this is that gold metal wire whose resistance now we are going to find out. Okay, so let us first make the connection proper. So the positive of the battery to the negative to the positive of the ammeter, then negative of the ammeter to the positive of the voltmeter, then voltmeter connected to one end of the rheostat, then other end of the rheostat connected to the plug key, and the negative of the battery connected to the plug key. Okay, now this is the gold wire whose resistance we have to find out. So we have to find out the potential first for it, and it is connected in parallel to the voltmeter. Okay, so we have now connected it. Now let us insert the plug key, and first of all let us make the reading to be at 1. Okay, for this one. So let us quickly insert it, and when we insert it, we all get to know that the ammeter is showing us the value of the current and the voltmeter is showing us the value of the potential. Let us put the values in the table. So the voltmeter shows potential difference of 0.721, and the ammeter shows the current of 9.279, and the resistance right now is 0.08 ohm. Okay, so remember that when the area or the diameter means it is the area only, the thickness of the wire, and thickness or thinness means we are talking about the area. So the resistance right now is 0.08 ohm, and let us have a look on to the resistivity value. So the resistivity value comes out to be 2.44 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Okay, now we are going to reset this entire apparatus and we will change the diameter reading now. So we have done the resetting, and again let us take the gold because we will not change the nature of the material will be the same. And since we are studying the effect of the area of cross section on the resistance, so length also we are not going to change, it will be 10 centimeter only. But now since like the diameter was 0.2 millimeter, now let us slowly drag it and make it 0.4. okay, 0. like double of 0.2, that is 0.4. little bit difference is there, 0.39. okay, slowly 0.41. okay, let us bring it to 0.4. okay, 4.2 it is 4. Yes, so now we all can see that we have made the area of cross section double. Initially it was 0.2 millimeter and now it is 0.4 millimeter. So what we can understand that the area of cross section we have made it double, and rest all the things will be the same. So now let us quickly make the circuit closed and connect all the things in the right manner. So that the circuit is able to conduct the electric current through it. The gold wire, whose now resistance we have to find out. And now let us close the plug key. So now the circuit is closed and the current will flow. Now the current reading is 9.809, and the voltmeter is showing us the reading of 0.191. And let us find out the resistance. So the resistance value right now comes out to be 0.02 ohm. And what do we see over here? That the area of cross section is inversely proportional. That now we made the area double and the resistance became almost like half of the previous value. Okay, it is like it has decreased, right? So this is how it will affect the resistance. So more the thickness of the wire. Now what do we understand over here? That if there are two wires, one is a thick wire and one is a thin wire, so the thick wire will have more area of cross section and the resistance will be low in that, and it will conduct electricity in a better way. But now let us have a look on to one very important aspect, that is resistivity. And you all can see that the resistivity value comes out to be 2.44 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 ohm meter, and it is the same as the last time. Okay, when the area was 0.2, the thickness was 0.2 millimeter, and now it is 0.4 millimeter. You all can see that the resistivity value is the same in both the cases. So what do we understand? That only resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor, but resistivity is not affected with the area of cross section of the conductor. So I hope that you have understood it. Thank you very much.